Hello everyone. Today we will learn the word commotion. First, the pronunciation. It's a three-syllable word. Commotion. Stress is on the second syllable. So we stress mo, commotion. I was watching a YouTube short today in which a fifth grade teacher was telling a very touching story. She said that during the lunch hour, she heard some commotion in the hallway. So what did she hear? She heard some noise. Noise for short period of time. So that is commotion. Noise, confusion, or excited movement for short period of time, usually involving a lot of people. So let's see and let's practice how we can use the word commotion in our daily life by learning some sentences. So, how to use the word commotion if we mean noise, when there is a lot of sound or disturbance? First example sentence: the commotion outside woke me up. So, there was loud noise outside. We heard a commotion in the street late at night. So, in the street, there was a lot of noise. The baby started crying because of the commotion in the house. So, there was noise in the house. And in all these situations, noise was for the short period of time. Now, how to use it for excitement? When people are cheering or reacting loudly with energy. There was a huge commotion when the singer came on stage. The class made a commotion after hearing about the surprise party. It means that they were excited. The crowd caused a commotion when their team scored. So again, it is for short period of time. Excitement, it can last for a couple of minutes, but it will not last for hours or 20 minutes or half an hour. So commotion can be used for excitement. Now confusion. When there is disorder or people don't know what is happening, we can use the word commotion. A small accident created a commotion at the intersection. So people were confused. There was a commotion in the office after the sudden announcement. So maybe they were surprised and they were confused. They were not expecting it. So it caused confusion. The missing child caused a commotion in the park. So everybody got super confused. So now you can make your own sentences in the comments. And let's read these sentences and tell me in which sentences we are using the word commotion as noise, in which one as excitement, and in which one as confusion. A sudden commotion broke out when the lights went off. The police arrived quickly after hearing about the commotion downtown. The students made a commotion when their team won the game. She ignored the commotion and continued reading her book. The loud crash caused a commotion in the apartment building. There was a commotion at the airport when the flight was delayed. The cat ran away from the commotion in the living room. Neighbors came outside to see what the commotion was about. Let me know if there is a word you want to learn, and I will make the video on that. I started this series and you will see a lot of words, a lot of new words in the series, and this is the way to go if you want to improve your vocabulary. Have a nice day and see you later. Bye.